let's do this. Welcome, game developers and boppers, to Doug Develops, or Doug Teaches, Ue4. Yes. Oh my god, I can't believe I woke up so late. So late. It's not even 10 in the morning. You know what I mean? I always like waking up at like 6 or 7, even on weekends. Anyway, so what we're gonna do today is we are going to ensure that. Oh yeah, because I added him. Let me get rid of him. We'll have it so that way our AI attacks said player. Now we have to do some stuff first. First and foremost, we go game BP. Yeah, I have a squad point. Okay, so what I did was let's just I'll do that. Let's go to blueprint class actor and just say squad pointer. Right, and all we're gonna do right now is we're gonna add a billboard. Why? Oh, it's just for shits and giggles. Well, more to it than that. Because we're gonna make sure that when we command it to move to a specific spot, the walk cycle actually activates. So to do that, what we do is on effect begin play. We spawn actor from class. We're gonna spawn 2 of these. First one is going to be it's gonna be squad pointer. Okay, but what's the transform? That's a beautiful thing. We just say get actor transform. And yeah, we can say self. I don't necessarily need to add this. I just do it because. And then what we do is, should I promote this to a variable? Yeah, let's promote it to a variable. Okay. Promote to variable. I'm just gonna say pointer. Oh, I can't say pointer 1. Fine. Point 1. And then what we do, we can we just attach this to actor. Attach to actor. Parent actor is gonna be self. Socket name. I don't necessarily need a socket name. We don't. You can. All right, let's add one. You don't necessarily need to, but if you want to, you can. Because we're gonna set it equal to the world location. I'll just add a socket. Okay. So how you add sockets, and this is what we're gonna do when we actually start attaching weapons to this dude. But that won't be for a while because we need to. Because after this AI, because I think this should be if all goes well, this should be the last AI video. Oh, okay. So how you attach a socket, I'm just gonna, click on hip, I'm gonna right click, I'm just gonna say add socket, and I'll just name it, instead of calling it hip socket, I'll just say pointer socket. And it doesn't matter, you could leave it in there. Eventually we will have to, like I said, we're gonna be doing stuff with this like a motherfucker later on. So I'll just get, did I copy this? I didn't copy it. I'm going to copy it. So I'm going to hit F2, and then I'm going to hit copy. Go back to Astro Militarum character, under socket name. I'm just going to Control V this. And then what we do is we set actor location. And the actor location is going to be, because this is pointer 1, shit. Yeah, waypoint 1's world location. I'm just going to Control W that, and then that. And we basically have to make another copy of basically this. Really? Yeah. And this, and this. I'm gonna Control W this. I'm gonna have it'll still be pointer. Then I'm gonna promote this to a variable. I'll just call it point2. Plug that in. And target is going to be 0.2. And let's just move this up just to clean it up a little. And this will be waypoint 1. Wait. I gotta make sure that... Okay, this has to change to waypoint. Right. Waypoint. Now, what we can do is... Point 1... Oh, no. Yeah. No. Point 2. Damn it. Point 2... And... Point 1... Fine. I don't know why I did that. Point 2... Get world... get actor location... And then we get rid of that. Point 1, get actor location. But there's a problem to this. Why? Because we get the actor location before we even fucking spawn it. Because you have to understand, shit, I shouldn't have done that. I'm a fucking moron. Okay. Undo. Duh, Jesus. Sorry. Me waking up, waypoint. Still waking up. Waypoint. So then we set it. Yes. Okay, so while in the squad members blueprint, we, instead of the player reference on false, we get pointer. Pointer 1. This is a squad member. Wait, this is squad 1. And then instead of that, we get actor location and plug that in. Next, we go down to here, and we basically do the same thing. We just get pointer 2. Okay. Wait, what? Get pointer 2. Get point 2. Oh my god. I am still waking up. And then get actor location. Plug that in. You should have a timestamp for when you actually attack the... Yeah, I will. Okay. So now, what we have to do is, instead of simple move to actor, what we can do is we need to set the... how we do that, actually, we get the pointer 1 and pointer 2, and we basically just set actor location to that new pointer. And, you know what, we can take teleport, because it doesn't fucking matter. It's not like it's moving. Fair enough. And then we just control W this here. But this has to be point 2. Point 2, move this down, and it'll be the active location, and we teleport it. So now, we go back to squad members, and instead of the simple move to actor, we can just, well, we can literally copy this. Wait, yeah. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. On true. we just move it to. On fail, we just delay it. So that way it won't slide across the fucking game world. And now we go up here, 0.1, and we just do the same thing. Copy it. Get rid of this. Move this up. Pile. Let's test this out. Z. Wow, he's really sliding. Yeah, he's moving fast. X. What was form up again? Wait, what? What? Oh, right. Shit. What's going on? Okay, so what's going on? If you notice that they're moving through my mouse cursor, it's because we're still this thing is still attached. So we basically say detach. We have to detach. Oh, we're doing. So let's do that now. Let's move this up a little. Detach from actor. So that way they won't move to, you know, where we're looking. Okay. And then detach from actor. Boom. Boom. Now we have a set of, we can just leave them as is in terms of like keep relative. Okay. Yeah. As far as this is form up, and we say yeah. From there we'll want to reattach. Okay. Yeah, we gotta reattach this. So let's get all this and this. This has to be 0.1 and 0.2. Control W. And that. Let's move this closer and extra dry. Target 0.2 and target 0.1. So that way when we form up, yeah. Wait, this is... Wait. Oh, shit. Again. Form up. And we gotta reset its actor location to the waypoints. Set actor... Wait, what? Fuck you, comment. I thought I... Okay. Whatever. Alright. Let's just Control W this. And Control W this. We could just say set actor location, and it'll be equal to waypoint 1. You really should rename them. Yeah. Get world location. Boom. And let's Control W this. You, and that. Because this is the form up command, and that's hold position. Okay, so let's give this a shot. Compile, douche. Boom, boom. C's form up? C. There we go. Yeah, there we go. V, hold position. Wait, V is to hold position. Okay. Yeah, V is to hold position. Okay, so they're still following us. Why? because this has been reattached. Oh, okay. So we have to detach it again. Mm-hmm. Up. And up. So that way they can hold position again. So V's to hold position. We gotta detach this and set the location. So let's do that. Let's get pointer 1, and then we're gonna put pointer 1 right there, and then we're gonna do the same thing with pointer 2. Why are you talking like that? Because it's Saturday, and it must be said that I do not like giving tutorials on Saturdays, because that deals with more psychological stuff, such as, well, I mean, like, Friday's the end of the work week / no classes, so, like, students are, like, compelled to just, like, learn more. Like, they learn more on their own on Fridays. Like, I read that somewhere in, like, a journal when I was when I was writing up my thesis. But they don't like doing it, but students don't like learning new things on the weekends because it's the weekends, they unwind. So that said, okay. Hold position. There we go. And then, Z. X. C to form up. There we go. Yeah. There we go. Alright. So now, what we want to do, after we detach from actor, now, we want to, now that that's said and done, let's have something that can attack. So, to do that, we have to go into squad members, right? Okay. On event begin play, we're going to say, do we have an attack range set? Yeah, we set attack range because we set that up in C++. We'll set it to something like, I don't know, give me a number, 2500. Okay. So now we're going to make a new Boolean and say is engaged. Right? Okay. So we're going to say order is given. We'll say order is given, yes. But we also have to say something like, we'll ask if it's engaged on true. We're going to basically, we'll copy that, we'll copy and paste that later. Wait, what? Oh, right. So on false, just do that. So let's move this down. Let's move this out of the way, make it a little cleaner. So what we're gonna do is, should we do every actor, or should we store that in an array? Yeah, we're gonna store that into an array. Okay. We're gonna get all actors of class, and this will just be the first person character. First person character. We're gonna promote that to a variable, and it's going to be an array. I'm just gonna say character reference array. Maybe I should split this up into 2 parts before it's going into vehicles. Why is that? 'Cause I really don't want to overload their brains. Essentially, because we're gonna have to use pawn sense that will look through that array. Because we have to put that. We have to take that into. We have to take that array and put it in a for loop. See which one. Get that index. Get that array element, ask which is closer. I don't know if I should make this 2 part. I don't know if I should split this up into 2 parts. Split it up into 2 parts, and that way, you can kind of milk it dry. Kind of don't want to. I really was hoping to move into vehicles. Shit. Fuck. Alright, I'm making this in two-parter. Okay. Okay. So now, we can do, one thing we can do is take this target actor, right? Okay. And then we could just promote this to a variable. We're going to say, actor to engage. For the time being. So I'm just going to delete this. Move the target actor to that. Why? Oh, because when we're engaging a target, right? Okay, then that means because here's the thing. If pawn sensing, here's why I'm splitting this up into two parts. We're essentially going to have to use a pawn sense when we see when our AI sees another actor. We have to ask it if it's in range because we can't tell it to engage unless we give specific orders to engage that target. So if the actor is looking at something else and we tell it to engage, then that means that actor needs to stop looking at that particular target, and that's why I need to split this up into two parts, because I don't want to explode everyone's minds, because AI is very, very, very difficult, especially considering how we're not even going to be using AI behavior trees. That said, we're done with this for now. And we're not even going to use the character array, but like it's best that we still have it here. This will be definitely used in the second part. So let's go here, right? Okay. When we're line tracing, we want to make sure, we want to ask if we hit an actor. That actor that we're going to see if we're hit is the first person character. We're going to cast to it. And this is member 1. So what we do is, I'm going to Control W this, and we're going to set actor reference actor to engage. We're going to plug this in, and we're going to plug that into there. You have to understand, if you're wondering why, what is an actor, pretty much anything is an actor. Virtually everything is an actor. There are a couple of exceptions, like the billboard's kind of not an actor. Particle effects are not really actors. So, yeah. Most things are actors. We have to do the same thing down here. On actor hit. And we set number 2's actor to engage. Engage. Set it. Move that into here. Move that into there. What? It's complaining that actor to engage doesn't exist. Could it be because I didn't compile this like a fucking moron? Yes, it is. Good job. Now, we need to actually add our character. And let's move this in. Let's move this out. And let's Alt, copy this guy, move him over there. And another third copy. There we go. Now, what we need to do is we need to go back into squad member. And on true, if is engaged is set to true. What we need to do is we need to say AI move to. Pawn is going to be ourselves. Target actor is going to be actor to engage. And we're going to get the actor location. However, on acceptable radius, we can say get attack range, because we're going to be engaging it to the attack range. On fail, we can just delay and double check. We can just delay it and then just go back. On success, however, we can essentially just Actually, we don't need to do anything with success just yet. So we have to essentially copy this whole block, paste it in, go here, on true do that, on false do that, and back in the Astra Militarum, you want to say engaged is set to true. Set is engaged to true. Why do we want to set engaged to true? Because, hold on. Fuck it, I'll just, is engaged. Set it to true. Because while it's engaged, when we're moving around, we don't, there's a reason for that. Because, like, here's the thing. If we're telling it to hold position, we don't want it to engage. Okay. Or if we're telling it to, like, whatever. Anyway. So, let's give this a shot. Z. Wait, what? X. Oh, poopy. What? Where is first person character? I gotta double click into him. You have to go into the capsule components because, yep, collision presets, yep, doesn't like visibility, it ignores visibility, so we need to change that. So we need to go into here, customize the collision, and just block it. Okay, so that way, yeah. So now, Z, wait, what? Why isn't he moving? Oh, because of the attack range. You set it to 2,500. All right. X. Z. Let's check something out. Wait, do I have a third-person character? I'm going to choose the third-person character. Please, I have... Oh, good, I have a third-person character. I'm going to use third-person character. Fuck it. Head actor. Third-person character. And that'll be member 1. Control W. Why? Oh, I'd speed the visibility. Oh. So does that mean you have to go into its blueprint and set it to block all or whatever? Yeah. Yeah, let's do that too. I completely forgot about that. Open full blueprint editor. Capsule component. Custom. There we go. Why don't you just use block all? No real reason. On form up. This is form up, right? Yeah. We want to set engage to false. Set is engaged to false. And same goes with you. Is engaged to false. Just doing some error checking. And if we tell it to hold position, we want it to do the same fucking thing. Right. Boop. 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 There's form up. Needs to happen. Boop. 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 Now, on if cast has failed, if cast failed, just do that. me do this down here too. Cast failed. Yeah. Do that. Okay, so let's try this. Z. Wait, what? Infinite loop detected. Astra Militarum. Oh, right. Good. I know. I never should have. I never should have. I never should have done that. I'll just set engaged. Engaged to false. Fuck it. Engage to false. So that way we don't want. Yeah. So that way we can just override the orders. Okay, so. Moves back. Let's hit Z. Z again. There we go. X. Oh, right, because I'm pointing. It's trying to go to that. Form up. Hold position. X. Hey, I said X. Form up. X. X. X, why aren't you working? Z, why aren't you working? Am I hitting the wrong keys? Let's find out. Z. X. Oh, they're engaging. Well, he's engaging. For you to form up. There we go. Fiber. Now, in 40K, you can you can do one of two things. You can either set it. You can either set. Shit. What the fuck was I gonna say? Ranged or assault stance. There you go. All right. Now. Well, you know what? Let's spot a fucking projectile before we go into ranged and assault stances, because we don't have. Because I don't think I have any. Do I have a melee attack? I don't know if I have a melee attack for this guy. There you go. Check on you. Astra Militarum. See, have any melee? Firing rifle, hit reaction, reloading, rifle aim, rifle jump, the backward, strafe. Strafe, toss grenade, turn left, turn right, walking. Nope, I don't have a melee attack, so. Alright, let's just make this guy fucking shoot whatever we're aiming at. To do that, where's the squad members? Okay. So, to do that, on success, we'll have a custom event that just fires something. So let's go into our viewport. Let's go here, scroll down, zoom in. I'll just add an arrow component. And this arrow component will just move up a little. Just a little bit. Let's go back into the event graph. I'm going to have a custom event. And I'm just going to say firing at target. So what we do is we just get the arrow, get world transform, and then from there we spawn actor. Please, dear God, say the first person projectile is still here. First person projectile, cool. Then we just plug this in, and delay for like, I don't know, let's just have him shoot once per 0.5 seconds. What's with the delay? Oh, because when we are engaged, because remember, this is going to be firing at every tick. So if we delay it per second, oh, gotcha, yeah. So, on success, fire at, what? Firing at targets. And you have to do the same thing. Firing at target. Let's compile. Let's play. This is back. Z. What? You're not even firing. X. You are. That's weird. C to form up. Where is what? Form up. Z. Why are you not firing? Let's find out. R-U-Z. I'll just say, string. See if this is actually running. Z. Well, he's running. Let's go into your squad members. Is number 1, order given, engaged. So it's attack range. On success, I'm just going to hit string. Print string. Is squad 1. We go. Let me see its event play. Yeah. Okay, so a squad 1 is that. On Z, point 1. Attach, or detach, I mean. Number 1, order giver. Get to engage. Let's see if this is working or not. Z. Well, it's working, but he's not shooting. Wait a minute. What the? Okay. God damn it, Doug. You know what, just for shits and giggles, I'm going to move this here. Do. And do. You put it in the wrong. You put the firing bit in the wrong. Yes, I put it in the wrong fucking space like a moron. Okay. See? There we go. X. C to form up. Good, he stops firing. Z, X, there we go. C to form up. Now let's do the. Now let's set it to melee. But I don't have a melee attack. God damn it. Okay. Let's just set its. Let's still set its range in assault stances. So we're gonna have squad member. I'm going to add a variable called is ranged stance, and I say is assault stance. So now what we can do is we need to go up here. Get rid of this. Why? Because we need to ask whether or not if it once by default we'll have its range set to 2500. Oh, I'm going to tone that down. Actually, I'm going to put it down to 1500. Okay. I have 2 custom events. Ranged active. We're going to say We're going to set this to true. And we're going to set its attack range to 1500. And another custom event. And this will be Assault Active. And we're going to set is Assault Stance to true. And just for shits and giggles, let's set them both to false here. One here. No. Set one here. And the other here. Because you don't like just for shits and giggles. And I'm gonna say attack range. This will be 150. Really? That close? Yeah, because he's gonna do a melee attack. Is engaged. That's the attack range. So we're going to be asking another bool. We're basically going to be asking if this is set to true or false. How will we do that? Acceptance rating. That involves, god damn it. Oh right, no, because that needs to be pawn sensing too. Shit. Never mind. Okay, so we're just gonna see shit. Yeah. Fuck. I really gotta do pawn sensing and all that. God damn it. So what, is this being split up? Yeah, I gotta split this up. Shit! God, I was going too far ahead and I didn't think properly. This is what happens when I don't think and I wake up too late. Dude, it's only 10. Fuck you. Oh, yeah, I can't continue onward because the thing is, what I just showed off, like these two bits, that involves this does involve pawn sensing because that also involves firing on the move. Shit. I understand if you people dislike me for it, but like, oh my god, I had my brain is not. Well, to be fair, I am working like a shitload, so fuck. God damn it. Sorry, everybody. Do it and end it here, narrator. Ow. And, so is next week going to be the finale? Yes. Next week will be the finale for the AI bit. So next week what we're going to do is we're going to have a pawn sensing and essentially tell it to either, while it's getting ready for a melee strike, fire on the move. And if, like, let's say, there's another character in the way as you're going to the other target, you could basically fire on that target as well. But we also need to make sure that, so essentially what we're going to have to do is make it so that way, first of all, it's going to have to use a Team Detour controller. So that way when it bumps into said character, the character doesn't go flying off in another direction. So it's going to have to work its way around that while going to said point. Because, yeah. And then what we're going to do is have it set so once it gets into range for melee, then attack it. But as it's firing on the move, yeah. So does this mean we're going to be doing accuracy? Shit. Yeah, it means we got to do accuracy as well. Fuck. Yeah, that means we're going to have to be doing accuracy as well. So, yeah. Of course I fucking have to add accuracy to that. But yes, next week will be the finale for our AI series. And I'm pretty sure that's going to be a long one too. So, like I said, end it here, narrator. And there you have it, game developers and boppers. Tune in next time for Doug Teaches Ue4 mini tutorials.